All right, Joe here at ITT. We're showcasing how we're bringing that Lunar Lake level efficiency with the scaled performance of Arrow Lake to our upcoming Panther Lake product. What you're seeing here are live power readings collected at the system level. In this multitasking scenario, we have an active Teams meeting, Excel, PowerPoint, a browser here with 10 tabs open, actively watching a video. I know none of you in the tech world would ever think of doing this, but occasionally it happens. And we're using Hardware Info Pro here to show where that work is being done. On the Lunar Lake system and on the Panther Lake system, you'll see that work being contained to the low power island. But what you'll see here on Panther Lake is you still have all that additional core power that you'd expect from an Arrow Lake class system available. So all this compute cluster, which is not being needed right now for all this work being done, is still available for all your multi-threaded needs. Arrow Lake, which was limited to those just 2 LPE cores, not able to contain this work, which is why you see that at a higher power here. And that's what we're trying to showcase here. Lunar Lake level efficiency, Arrow Lake scale performance.